I think you dropped something.
Oh, thank you. Did I drop my pen? Oh, well.
This is it.
Yes.
You want to just step out in the hallway real quick?
Yes.
I can answer some questions for you.
Are you Chadrick Taylor's assistant?
No.
Okay, I've been trying to make an appointment with Chadrick Taylor.
Uh-huh. Are you videotaping me?
Yes, I am.
I work with the victim witness unit, and so I heard that you had some questions about filing cases, and so I just was going to answer them. Is there a way we can not videotape this?
No.
Okay.
You're a public official, so I think it's lawful.
Okay.
But I want to make an appointment with Chadrick Taylor, and
I'm going to go grab Dakota's list real quick. I'll be right back.
Well, what I heard from one of the assistants was that you were trying to file a case. Have you filed a police report?
the police report is inappropriate.
It's inappropriate for the case?
Yes.
Okay. Well, what I will do is, Chris is going to go to Dakota, and he can answer any questions that you have. Because I don't want to answer any questions on camera, because I want to make sure I give you the right information.
Well,
so he would definitely be the person to talk to.
What I want is just an appointment with Chadrick Taylor.
Okay. What I understand about appointments is that you have to be authorized to make an appointment. So we probably would just need more information from you to be able to do that. So.
Okay.
This lady needs to be escorted off the grounds right now.
I'm being escorted off the grounds.
She's videotaped.
Is it?
Take the elevator.
Okay.
Okay.
Can you tell me why I'm being escorted off the grounds?
Because they asked me to escort you.
Okay.
31, I've got it. She's videotaping. Not sure what's going on.
You want me to ask them or?
Oh wait, I forgot a form in there.
Nah.
No, I need it's a certified copy.
I'll go get it.
Okay, it's the brown folder.
That is your folder, right?
Yes, thank you.
I didn't know if that was one you're pointing to or not.
Just that window right there.
Okay, thank you. So, can you tell me the law as to why I'm being escorted off the grounds?
They asked us to escort you out. You've obviously caused a disturbance. So we're escorting you out.
Did they say what the disturbance was?
I haven't had a chance to talk to them.
Okay.
Okay? So.
Thank you. Am I being charged with any crimes?
Nope, you're just being asked to leave the building.
Well, what were you up there talking to them about?
Oh, I was trying to make an appointment with Chadrick Taylor.
Mm-hmm. Regarding?
A legal matter.
Okay. And what's your name?
Mary Miller.
Mary Miller? Okay.
Okay.
What was the conversation? What was your side of the conversation with them?
My side was I would like to make an appointment.
Mm-hmm. And what transpired from there? I mean, you're asking us questions. I can't give you the answers unless I know the circumstances.
What transpired from there was I said I asked if I could just have an appointment. There was no...
And what did they say?
They were going to bring out his assistant, and then they brought out the victim's unit. But then as soon as I pulled out my camera, that's when they told me I had to leave.
Well, typically, there is a court rule and there's a home rule resolution against filming in the courthouse.
Oh, there is a court rule. Do you know that?
I don't know if it's court rule, if it's home rule resolution. I know that there's certain places in the building that it is not allowed, and there's certain places that it are allowed. Inside offices for security purposes, it is not allowed.
Okay. Okay, well, she didn't ask me to turn off the camera because of the rules. She just asked me to be escorted out.
Sure. And that's probably what they're explained is not to confront them because with this day and age, not saying you are. They don't have any idea if you're a safety measure or not.
Uh-huh.
You know, I'm aware that you're filming now.
Yes.
It's acceptable to film in areas where there is public access, mainly this area right here.
Okay.
But anytime there's inmates or there's defendants, possibility of them being there's no filming allowed unless express written consent from the judges.
Okay.
And that's probably why they threw the panic alarm.
So,
not knowing what's your reason for filming.
so when can I come back?
I would try calling on the phone and seeing if you could set a meeting up with Mr. Taylor.
Okay. Well, that's why I was calling, because he's refusing to set up a meeting.
Okay. And I don't know his business. I mean, that's his business. That's his right to meet with who he wants to.
Okay. Now, what if I need to get a permit?
For what?
Demonstrations.
Where?
I would like to demonstrate in front of the courthouse.
Can't do it on county property. You can be down on the sidewalks, and I believe that would be the city.
The city? Do you know where their office is at?
Somewhere across the street. I don't know where at in that building.
Oh, across the street? Mm-hmm. Okay, thank you for your time.
Do you have ID on you?
Yes.
So I can document who I talked to and why I talked to?
Yes.
And if it makes you feel any better?
No, it's in the main part.
Okay, why don't you take it out for me?
Okay. Because what I'm documenting is that the non-cooperation by Chadrick Taylor.
Okay, well that has to do with Mr. Taylor. That has nothing to do with us. You know, we've got safety and security to uphold here in the building. So.
Okay, well.
Here, go ahead and take it out of the holder for me. Oh, she went ahead and scratch.
So you say there's a law against videotaping?
Inside the building, cameras are not allowed anywhere where there could be court proceedings or any of that, which includes the DA's office.
Well, I was in the outside lobby.
I understand that. They're still, those are recognized as court floors because you have the clerk of the district court floor, third floor is court floor, fourth floor is court floor, basement's got courtrooms in them. Anywhere where there can be official court business, there can't be any cameras.
They contact official court business in the lobby?
If they escort inmates or defendants, or there's any docket hearing, those people have a right to privacy. So the courts have said anytime there's the possibility. So yes, there is the possibility of a defendant walking off of the elevator into the lobby to conduct business. There is a possibility of a defendant walking off the elevator into the clerk's office. So yes, they have shut the second floor, the third floor, and the fourth floor and partial parts of the basement off to public access on cameras.
Okay.
Again, you're okay here because this is a general public area. Okay?
All right.
Anywhere where there's possibility of official court business, the only way cameras are allowed is with the express consent of the courts.
And I would assume they would not give consent.
No. For safety and security reasons, I will tell you this right now, I will probably be subpoenaing your footage on that to make sure that you haven't compromised anything in the security aspect.
Okay.
Okay? That's the reason we're in place. We're in place for security measures. When people bring cameras into the building, it compromises that. So at this point, I will ask you to go ahead and shut your film off. You are on camera. We have cameras everywhere in this building.
Oh, I thought you said cameras was allowed in this lobby.
They are.
Okay. So can I leave it on?
Here, you can. Sure, I have no problem with that.
Well, you said
when you go upstairs or any other place, I'm asking you.
You were going to ask me. I thought you were asking me to shut it off now.
No, I'm sorry. If I could have said that. I didn't mean that. I'm talking in future reference when you come back to the building. If you have a meeting with Mr. Taylor or anything else, then at that point you can't film.
Okay.
Unless Mr. Taylor gives you the authority to do that.
Okay.
Okay, that's, I was just trying to clarify.